So we are going to make the setup on the plate we already machined parallel to the spindle, and as you can see here, the corner were drilled to escape the corner of the plate. So it's a good way to be sure that the edge are not touching nothing, and the surface is very flat. The other thing that you have to check with such type of setup is the dimension. Let me check on the screen. It's the dimension you have on the X and Y. So you have to let some free space with the fixture to avoid the drill bit entering. So you can see here its dimensions are in millimeters. So we have 40.3 on X and 17.7 on Y. So the way the clamp are designed, let a space of 1 inch between two screws. So we will let a space of 3 inch on the X and just only 1 on the Y. So let's put the plate and see how it should be done. I will unzoom. Okay. So the setup is done. I let some free space here on the X and Y to let the engraving bits working, and I also make a zoom. I also put these engraving bits on the spindle. So now we will make the first operation. We will have to cut this blue film. So we will use the engraving bits to do that thing. So make a zoom on it, and we'll start the program. Now we can peel off the blue film because it was cutted. So here it is. And the protective layer was just cut fine with the engraving, and now only the surface that have to be machined will be machined. So the next operation will be to make the engraving on a machine. So we will grave the path of the components. So we load the new file, and now let's go. I will change a little bit the Z the Z depth because we removed the So the curving operation is done. It works fine. The only thing that could be improved is the quality of the trace, because I put a depth of 0.5, and I guess that half of this one would be enough for the job, but I put my finger, can see how small it is, and here there is some it was supposed to have some letters, but as the dips it's too much, we can't not read what it is written. So for the next next PCB engraving I will make a smaller depths. But anyway, it works. The remaining thing is to make some drilling, some very small drill. So let's put a drill bit on the CNC and the spindle, and let's load some drilling operation. So I hope you can see the very small drill bit. It's 0.033 inches of diameter. It's something like 0.8 millimeters, and we'll see how it works on this PCB, and if we do not have some braking tools. So it works pretty well. I will make a zoom and close the camera to the PCB, that you can see better the results. So it looks quite good, and it's very small. It's amazing. So let's do a zoom. So here it is the result, and as you can see, there is very small holes. The traces also are very small. I cannot do more because the focus is not established very well, but I have a magnifier here that can show you how small it is. The size of the holes are 0.033 inches, so 0.8 millimeters. So it can show you how accurate is the machine for such thing. The only improvement, as I already explained, is the depth of the engraving. It's a little too much, and we'll have a better result with a smaller dip, but we'll do it another time. So here it is. We now have some soldering operation and see how it works.